Okay,
There we go.
let's talk about John Laspina, who you might know as the carnivore teacher. And he's not kidding. He says this lifestyle completely turned his life around.
Now, this wasn't some quick fix. His journey actually took over 7 years.
He started with 4 years on keto before going full carnivore for 3 more.
So after all that time, what actually happened? What were the results?
First up, the most obvious change. He dropped a solid 35 pounds. But it went way beyond weight. His AFib, a serious heart issue, went into remission.
And that chronic lower back inflammation he always dealt with, completely gone. The list keeps going. He also saw healthier teeth and gums, and even better skin. But, the changes weren't just on the outside. They were mental too. Get this, his lifelong battles with OCD and depression, he says they just vanished.
So with an experience like that, what's his advice for someone starting out? Well, he suggests easing into it. Start with low carb or keto, then make the switch. You can see how his own journey basically became his playbook for teaching others. This transformation gave him his whole new identity, the carnivore teacher.
And that's exactly what he does on his YouTube channel. He shares his story.
Which really makes you wonder, right? Can changing your diet actually change your purpose?